Aspartame, a widely used artificial sweetener, is the subject of concern due to its potential link to cancer. Specifically, there are claims that its consumption, particularly in beverages like Diet Coke, may pose a risk. The World Health Organization's Cancer Research Division has conducted a comprehensive safety evaluation of aspartame. According to recent reports, there are indications that a commonly used artificial sweetener found in products such as Diet Coke and chewing gum may soon be classified as a potential carcinogen. The International Research on Cancer, IARC, the Cancer Research Division of the World Health Organization, WHO, has conducted a thorough safety assessment of aspartame. The findings of this review are scheduled to be released in the upcoming month. According to reports, the tabletop sweetener is expected to be placed on the Group 2B list, which is classified as potentially cancer-causing to humans. In a continuously expanding catalogue of substances and food products suspected to heighten the risk of cancer in humans, it will find itself in the company of bacon, makeup, and hairdressing. The list encompasses a variety of other items. Among them are the following, but not exclusively limited to. Upon conducting a comprehensive examination of the aloe plant, it was discovered that the consumption of this plant may lead to various adverse effects on the body. These effects include, but are not limited to, diarrhea, hyperkalemia, kidney failure, and phototoxicity. Furthermore, the utilization of aloe vera whole leaf extract demonstrated conclusive proof of its carcinogenic properties in rat subjects. People who operate machinery for the purpose of cutting or molding wood are at risk of being exposed to wood dust. This exposure has been closely linked to the development of cancers affecting the paranasal sinuses and nasal cavity. When it comes to pickling vegetables in the traditional manner, the process typically involves placing them in a jar for an extended period of time, ranging from several weeks to months. During this time, fermentation occurs, leading to the proliferation of yeasts and fungi. It is important to note that these microorganisms have the potential to produce harmful substances, including carcinogenic compounds like mycotoxins. In the 2A classification of potentially carcinogenic substances, hairdressing has found its place due to the consistent exposure of professionals in this field to a wide range of chemicals. Multiple studies have indicated a heightened susceptibility to various forms of cancer, such as breast cancer, lung cancer, and laryngeal cancer. After receiving previous backlash for classifying various common products and situations as potential cancer hazards, the IARC's decision to make this move is expected to generate controversy. The activities encompassed in this category involve engaging in overnight shifts, the consumption of red meat, and the usage of mobile phones. According to Reuters, the report is in the process of classifying the tabletop sweetener as potentially cancer-causing for humans. This designation indicates that there exists some constrained evidence connecting it to the development of cancer. There are two additional classifications by the IARC that are considered to be more severe: probably carcinogenic to humans and carcinogenic to humans. These classifications are determined based on the level of evidence, rather than the level of danger posed by a particular substance. In addition to aspartame, there are other products that have been suggested as potential contributors to the development of cancer. These include traditional Asian pickled vegetables, as well as exposure to carpentry and dry cleaning. In the meantime, the occupation of a hairdresser or barber is grouped under the second classification, similar to the production of glass, which is believed to have an impact on both the respiratory and digestive systems. People who engage in the habits of smoking, consuming alcoholic beverages, eating processed meat, and being exposed to X-rays and gamma radiation are exposed to substances that are classified as carcinogenic. There is substantial evidence to support the claim that these substances can lead to the development of cancer in individuals. Since the 1980s, the use of aspartame has been extensive and has received authorization from regulators worldwide. However, the food industry has raised concerns regarding the reports surrounding its usage. According to Francis Hunt Wood, the Secretary General of the International Sweeteners Association, it is important to note that the IARC is not an authority on food safety. She highlights the extensive research conducted on aspartame, which is considered one of the most extensively studied ingredients in history. Over 90 food safety agencies worldwide have declared its safety, including the European Food Safety Authority, which has conducted the most comprehensive evaluation of aspartame to date. According to an article by The Guardian, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, conducted an extensive review of aspartame, gathering a total of 7,000 research references. A team of experts carefully analysed 1,300 studies as part of this comprehensive assessment. The purpose of the safety review was to evaluate the potential risks associated with aspartame. However, the review does not take into account the safe consumption levels for individuals. On the 14th of July 2023, the outcome of the assessment will be released, accompanied by an examination of the permissible daily consumption and an analysis of dietary exposure. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.